Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the blazing New Jersey sun, a stage was set for a cricketing carnival as the Cricmax Crushers locked horns with the Star Sports Us Lions in an under-15 showdown that promised fireworks.
The eager roars of the young lions met the steadfast might of the Crushers. Talent and tenacity were about to clash in a drama filled with youthful exuberance.
Colossal Crushers conquer, a run riot in the under-15 arena, where strategy and skill unleashed a deluge of runs, setting up a spectacle that etched itself into the annals of youth cricket.
In the chessboard of cricket, the Crushers' strategic mastery was the checkmate move. Early momentum carved through the Lions, steering the game's course towards an inevitable Crushers' roar of victory.
The stage was set, and the Crushers did not disappoint, piling on a mountain of runs. Their arsenal was on full display, led by Binding and Avail's 65 off 60, with Patel providing the finishing blows, unbeaten at 60.
The Lions bowled their hearts out, but the day belonged to the Crushers. Faz's economical spell was a glimmer of hope, but the stage was too grand, the Crushers' bats too heavy.
As the Lions walked in, the weight of the chase loomed large. An early collapse orchestrated by the Crushers' bowlers left the Lions stuttering, unable to forge the partnerships their monumental task required.
Dilip and Kale spun a web around the Lions, the youthful exuberance met with clinical precision. The Lions' spirit was admirable, but the Crushers' resolve was simply unbreakable.
Binding Anavale with his majestic innings stood atop the run mountain. But it was young Samarth Kale's mesmerizing 2 for 2 that struck the Lions' heart with the swiftness of an arrow.
In this coliseum of cricket, it was the calm composure of Patel that anchored the Crushers. Meanwhile, Dilip's spell was a masterclass in bowling, slicing through the Lions' defenses.
The Cricmax Crushers emerged victorious, towering over the Lions with a staggering 207-run triumph. It was a day where every element, from strategic batting to disciplined bowling, aligned for the Crushers.
A result that sent ripples across the under-15 circuit. It was not just a win, it was a statement, a juggernaut performance by the Crushers defining their dominance. As the dust settles, we're reminded of tales of giants like Sachin and Vaughan who started young. Today's players gave us a glimpse of future legends crafting the first chapters of their sagas.
The echoes of today's clash will resonate as these young gladiators march on. The Crushers etched a victory that will inspire them in battles to come and leave the Lions hungry for redemption.